Hey guys, it's Brandon, aka Be Rich Beauty, aka your beauty best friend, and this beauty best friend is bringing you a new episode. I don't know why I'm still cat bouncing, but just go with it. It's Pride Month, and so we're gonna do some makeup today, celebrating Pride. So you know what to do. Grab your favorite beverage, grab your favorite cocktail, and let's get this party started. All right, let's go. So to get this makeup started, we're gonna be using lots of color today. All of the makeup is by MAC, because you know what? One of the things I love about MAC is the fact that we are all ages, all races, all genders, and we have color galore. So you're gonna see a host of different products. So with that being said, we're gonna start off, and we're gonna do this look together. I have a concept, I have an idea of what I want in my head. We're gonna try to bring it to life. But first up, I already have on a light base because we're doing lots of color. I didn't go overly perfect with my skin. You're gonna see me utilize this palette. Oh, I love this palette. It's a paint stick palette times 12 by MAC. So it gives you every color you need in that rainbow flag handy in order to do makeup. So we're gonna play around with this along with some eyeshadows as well. So I'm gonna primarily use the 6 colors that make up the rainbow. Roy G. Biv, right? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. So because that's more than 6, we're going to kind of just go from like blue to violet. So we're gonna eliminate the indigo. But, you know, I just thought I would toss it on back to elementary school when we had to learn Roy G. Biv. So I'm gonna start first by mapping it out using my brow pencil. So red, orange, yellow. So we'll do something like this. This is just giving us a map. Obviously, one of the great things is the colors can blend into each other, but this is just mapping it out for me, right? So because I'm using lots of fun colors, I'm gonna be going back in between. I have my brushes. I'm using some fluffies and some flat ones to get the color on, okay? I'm gonna start first with my 190, nice and flat. Take a little bit of Fix Plus, just to kind of moisten the brush. Going in with the red. And what I like about these paint sticks is that, baby, wait till you see this color. It's full of color. And it's emollient, so it looks like skin. So we're getting the color on first, and then we're going to go back in with the blending. I also have some scratch paper, so that way as I'm going in between the different colors, I can pull off the excess. Next up is orange. And I'm starting heavy because we're going to blend this out and have it taper off. Go in with the stamping motion and pull it into the red. Red, orange, yellow. What's next? G, green. Now that I have the rainbow on, we're gonna now start blending it and make the color start to cascade down this way. Fluffy brush. Into the hair. Did you know in 1969, Marsha P. Johnson was an advocate during the Stonewall riots and protests in New York? She is considered to be a very prominent figure in the activist rights of the LGBT community. The more you know. Don't forget to wash them. We're making it, we're getting there. We're playing with highs and lows. Some things hang lower than others. So now what we have to do is strengthen this up by putting shadows on top of it. So I'm taking Ready eyeshadow here to place on top of the red. We're gonna use the Art Library palette as well. It's designer. Can't afford this, which is this orange color here, is gonna go on top of the orange. Chrome yellow, which is this beautiful matte yellow. It's gonna go in the center. We're gonna stipple this on first. So what I'm gonna do, the part of the look, we'll go back and we'll comb through the lashes and the brows one more time as well. So don't stress just yet. Now, I think I'm gonna get a little fancy. For the green, I have this beautiful teal and this lime. So I think we're gonna mix both of those together and go on top of this green. Let's just see how it looks. A little shimmer never hurt nobody. Look at that. It's like Emerald City happening on my forehead. Follow the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick road. Follow, follow, follow. Okay, never mind. I love this designer palette. For the blue, I'm gonna use Into the Shadows mixed with, wait for it, Atlantic Blue. We're gonna use Dark Room for our purple. Yellow. So I'm taking It's Designer and If It Ain't Baroque, and we're mixing it together just for a little gold bling bling through here. Whoop, there it is. Look how much that makes it pop even more. Ooh. We're gonna take a little Gallerina and give the green a little pop. Just taking a little bit of the color on the mascara wand and just pulling it into the frontal part of my hair. So I'm thinking I want like a paint splash going this way. So I'm gonna do a little red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet this way. Maybe a little shape penny. By the way, this is not done yet. I'm gonna go back at the end and add eyeliner into the waterline. MAC acrylic paint. Oh my gosh, this is the holy grail. I'm just gonna pull this way. Like so. A little It's Designer and Baroque right through the center here for yellow. With the 224. Just a few strokes in the inner. Blue is next. Right through here. A little landscape green chromographic pencil underneath here in the lash line. I got cyan in the waterline. Rich purple inner. Green paint stick on the lash over here. And the lash over here. And you know, I ran out of lashes, so there's no purple that's gonna happen. All we gotta do is touch up the rest of the face. Video Fix Fluid because it's Pride and I want that coverage in me. Fluffy brush. And you know, you just can't stop with just the liquid. We're gonna do a little Studio Fix powder on top of this too. So the foundation in our color, foundation in my color is just going back just to brighten the skin so the color stands out even more. So a little bit here. We're gonna finish it off with Dangerous Curves lip gloss. A nice juicy neutral, honey. Kind of mute out everything else. And there you have it, your prideful eye, playing around with symmetry, lots of color. Enjoy June, it's officially Pride Month. Guys, you know what to do. Like this video, leave me a comment, but most importantly, subscribe. I have a goal. I want to get to 1,000 subscribers, and you can help me get there by clicking that subscribe button and turning on the notifications. Until then, stay safe and love you lots. Bye.